So really, kind of wrapping some things up here, we want to make sure that you're focusing on your goals and communication and not your format. Don't get stuck in terms of what do I call this section? What do I need to put here for, this page? Does it need to be a 17-page document? And focus on the purpose of that you're trying to inform people on what your goals are in terms of test automation strategy and how are you going to deliver value. What is your overall technology goal? How is it affecting the people in the organization? How is it affecting your environments? So that should be the number one thing that you think about when you go through this. Next is, as we talked about before, is win the support of your business partners. If you have the support of your business partners, your product owners, your project managers, they're going to support you when it comes down to that testing squeeze of, yes, we trust you. We've seen the strategy. It's a very good strategy. And we know that you have a good grasp on what might need to be cut and what might not need to be cut. Next is, it's going to help you invest in the right technology. I've used test automation strategies when we have done, reviews of test automation frameworks, both freeware, open source, and paid for. And you've been able to determine the right answer because we're able to say which one of these matches most what we have in our test strategy. And then, next is use it as a basis for growth, right? If we know where we're coming from, we know potentially where we can grow to. So with that test strategy, you can say, hey, look at how far we've come. Look at how much we've automated. Look at how much we've changed, as well as, you kind of build in the foundation of the team to say, if we want to try something new, we can follow this awesome practice that we've implemented and allow us to grow into new technology or new areas. So, with that, definitely want to say big thanks to everyone. Really appreciate you, listening to this talk, having conversations as we go along. Definitely want to say thank you to the Pacific Northwest Software Quality Conference again. Really appreciate this opportunity, as well as my good friends over at Katalon. You can find some information here. Definitely check them out. Highly recommend them. I absolutely love the solution, and there's a great group of people as well. So, lastly, feel free to reach out to me. Love making new friends. Love meeting new people. So definitely feel free to reach out. So, with that, stop sharing here, and would just like to say a final thank you so much. I hope you all have a wonderful conference, and hopefully we'll be able to meet face to face one day soon. Thank you so much.